Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw anxiety from inside out too. Let's start. Draw two circles close to each other for eye sockets. Draw eyes. Draw eyes. Draw eyelids. Draw eyelids. Draw mouth. Draw chin. Draw chin. Draw teeth. Draw eyebrows. Draw hair. Draw neck. Draw a small rectangle for the upper body. Draw pant. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Detail the dress. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.